Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to log in to Targobank online banking. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Targobank online banking and then open the first link. And then you can see login to online banking. We are currently protecting access to online banking with an additional security check as precautionary measures to prevent unauthorized access attempts and all these informations. And then you can press on login. Now you need to input your username and password and then press on login. Now they will ask you about your security question. You need to answer the security question, or they will send you a notification on your mobile app if you have mobile app, or on your phone number to authorize your login. Now, in case you have forgot your login details, you can press on forgot login details. If you want to create user data informations on setup and use, you press on this link and you follow the prompts, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.